Okay, welcome back. It is day 164 of coding every day. Um, yeah, yesterday I uploaded a YouTube short from my car, um, about not coding. Yesterday, I mean, I coded yesterday, but I didn't do a video on it. So, apologies for that. Coded today actually, um, on camera. So today I did a leak code right now, literally just before this. Finally didn't do an easy, but it was pretty much an easy. I can't believe there wasn't a time constraint on the problem. I thought for sure, like usually it's like, oh, a brute force solution works for like 90% of the things, but there's like something really long, which mine was very inefficient. I should go back and look at what the more optimal solution was, but I didn't. So, um, as for the exam, I had my computer system principles final this morning. Um, it went all right. I mean, definitely passed the class. I think it was like, I mean, I think I could have got a 0 on it and I would have passed. But if I wanted to get a C in the class, it's like I had to get like a 20 on it. If I want to get like a B, I had to get like a 70 on it. And if I want to get like a B plus in the class, it was like a 90. I think I got around that 70 mark. There was just one question. So I think it was like basically four questions. It was true and false. Um, Actually, no, there's no true and false. It was like, well, one was a system design, which was would you use UDP or TCP? And I literally just know that UDP is faster and less reliable, and TCP is more reliable. And that's literally just what the questions were. It was like, oh, if you were designing a system that needs to be reliable, and it's like, okay. Um, so that one was kind of just a gimme. And that whole section was like 12 points out of 60, out of 50. Then the first one was multiple choice. Probably got 4 out of 5 on that. There was one that was a little weird. Then there was um, and then I think there was the one that kind of got me. Actually, there was, yeah, it was the one that kind of got me. It was like going through and like, okay, if you went through this file, given a signal, a kill signal as the signal that'll like be in the handler, make this fork sub process and then this sub fork process, go through these, open this pipe and open this file, write to this file, write to the pipe, given this buffer size. It was just like a lot going on, and it was like kind of like tracing through that. I think I got a few points there, but I think that's easily the worst one. That's the thing that brought me from maybe a 90 to a 70. And then there was that's assuming I got like 70. And then there was one about a function, like a shoot function for like shooting arrows, and it was for a run, a race condition. I was going to say run condition, a race condition where you would want to use like multiplex or whatever something for. You can tell I studied for this. Semaphore. I don't know. Anyway, it's supposed to like lock down. So it's like multi-threading, but like if there's a global variable that's being updated in a function, whatever, um, then so that multiple threads aren't accessing it at the same time, and that way it only increments once overall. It like locks down like the critical area or whatever. That one I think I did fine on, and then the last one was writing by hand two functions. I don't think I did perfect on. I think the second function I actually did pretty perfectly. It was like writing to pipes. Then the first one was something like clearing pipes, calling to a process, and then creating three sub child processes, and then doing some things in there. That one I think I messed up quite a bit. Overall, it was not a bad exam. Um, I mean, it definitely could have gone a lot better if I had put more time into that class. But so now it's the linear algebra final Wednesday, which I am about to go to the library right now to study until they close, and then study into the night a little, and then tomorrow all day is that what I'm doing, and then Wednesday, and then we're all done with the semester. So okay, that is all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow with probably another leak code, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. All right, take it easy. Bye.